Hi, everybody. We have more words about computers. So, what is the word? Sound off. Sound off, right? No sound. Sound off, no sound, right? This is a little picture. It's a speaker, but it means sound off. Sound on. Sound on. You see here? Sound, sound, sound. Bzz, 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 bzz. Sound on. Sound on. Or you could say sound up, sound down, turn it up, turn it down, sound on. Sound on. Repeat. Sound on. And this one? Sound off. Repeat. Good. Sound off. What does it mean? Repeat. Yeah, it means repeat or replay. Play again. Play again, repeat, or replay. Repeat. Repeat? Yeah, repeat or replay. 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 Repeat or replay. This one you can read. Skip ads. Skip ads. So skip means go over. Skip. Skip. It's like a small jump. And ads, advertisements, adverts, advertisement, ads. Skip ads. Sometimes on YouTube video, right? You click YouTube video and something else. They try to sell you things, right? Advertisement, maybe cars or buy something. This one, sometimes we can skip ads. Click or press, skip ads, goes to the video you want. And sometimes we have to wait to skip ads. How many seconds to wait? 4 seconds. This one, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skip ads. You can press to skip ads. So sometimes we have to wait to skip ads. And the last new word for computers, settings. Settings. Sometimes like this, sometimes like this. Settings. Settings. Repeat. Settings. Settings. We press settings. This lets us change things on the computer or change things in YouTube or change things in WhatsApp. It lets us change things. Settings. We can change things, make something bigger or smaller, different color, faster, slower. Settings. Settings. Repeat. Settings. Yeah, we can change things with settings. Good luck!